Alright guys, I have these two slimes right here, and I have a special video that I'm going to film for you. Look, this slime is yellow and this one is brown. I have the Spongebob slime right here and I have the Sandy slime right here, so now let's get right into the story. Hey Sandy, let me clap those cheeks. SpongeBob, my name is Sandy Cheeks, not let me clap those cheeks. I know, I'm saying, Sandy, let me clap those cheeks. I'm just kidding guys, this is so cringe. But anyways, subscribe right now. What are you doing for more slime reviews? Subscribe, what are you doing? Subscribe.